Hey guys, this is Yuberi. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to visit one of Karnataka's most peaceful and mystical destinations. This is Kundadri Hills, a majestic peak standing 826 meters above the sea level in the heart of Western Ghats. If you're looking to find this hidden gem, it's located in the Shimoga district, approximately 70 kilometers from Udupi and 80 from Shimoga city. And if you are exploring the famous Malnad region, it's a quick 12 kilometers drive from Agumbe, often called as the Chirapunji of South, and about 20 kilometers from Tirthahalli town. And Kundadri is not just a hill, it's a gigantic monolithic rock formation surrounded by dense evergreen forests. It serves as a tranquil escape from the bustle of city's life, allowing you to connect deeply with the raw beauty of nature. And the importance of Kundadri goes back more than 2000 years. This site is sacred pilgrim center for the Jain community and holds a deep spiritual significance. It's named after Acharya Kundakunda, a revered Digambara Jain monk and a philosopher who is believed to have stayed here in early centuries. Legend says that this secluded peak provided shelter for Acharya Kundakunda and other ancient sages, making it the birthplace of a holy Jain tradition in this region. The hill is a symbol of the mystical tradition developed by the Digambara sector, focusing on the pure nature of the soul. As you walk these grounds, you are walking where sages performed rituals and sought ancient wisdom about the soul, life, and the divine understood long ago. Now, let's talk about the view. The summit offers an amazing 360-degree panoramic view of the Western Ghats and the rolling hills on the Tirthahalli region. If you visit during monsoon, that is June to September, you will witness monsoon magic. The hill becomes frequently covered in a thick blanket of mist and fog, creating a dreamlike ambience where cloud seems to roll at the ground level. For the best experience, time your visit for sunrise or sunset. During these golden hours, the entire landscape is bathed in warm light, offering some of the most spectacular photographic opportunities in Karnataka. From the top, you can see the lush green forests and distant peaks stretching as far as the eye can see.
ಮೋಡ ಮುತ್ತಿದ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಶಿಖರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌನದೊಳಗೆ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲದ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವನಾಥನ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯವೇ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಓಂ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಗಿರಿಧಾಮ ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಪವೇ ಕುಂದ ಕುಂದ ಮುನಿಯ ತಪೋಭೂಜಿಮಾನ ಸ್ವರೂಪವೇ ಹಸಿರು ಕಾನನಗಳ ಮಡಿಲಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ ದೇವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಗಳೊಳಗೆ ನೀನೇ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಸೇವಾ.
And perched right at the edge of the cliff is a 17th century Jain temple dedicated to Parshwanatha, the 23rd Tirantakara. The temple is built in a traditional style featuring intricate stone carvings and a statue that reflect the simplicity and importance of Jain architecture. Some believe the temple's roots are even older, with some records suggesting it is over the 800 years old. One of the most unique feature of this peak is the two small ponds formed naturally by the rock on one side of the temple. These ponds provided essential water to the sages who lived here in total seclusion. The combination of the black stone architecture, the ancient ponds, and the surrounding mist gives the entire temple complex a deeply spiritual and serene atmosphere. And the entrance is very narrow, so you need to be a bit careful while entering into the main temple dome. And inside you can see Parshwanatha Swamiji, the magnificent architecture and a peaceful vibes. This pond lies inside the temple complex, and the other pond lies outside the temple at the edge of the cliff. And reaching this heaven on earth is an adventure itself, as the journey involves navigating a narrow, steep road with many sharp curves. While it's a bit of challenge for beginners, vehicles like cars, bikers can travel almost to the very top. Once you reach the final parking area, you aren't quite at the temple yet. You will need to climb a comfortable set of stone steps to reach the Parshwanatha Chaitanya. While different travelers count them differently, they are approximately like 30 to 50 stairs to climb. The ascent is gradual and manageable for most, leading you directly into the tranquil courtyard of the temple. If you're coming with a family like old age parents or the kids, they can easily climb those steps from the parking spot. And sometimes the temple will be closed, so you need to check out with the locals because they have the keys there. They'll come and then they'll open the temple. So please check with your there will be a contact number at the entrance of the temple, so you can call them to open the main gate. I'll show you the gate while at the end of the video. Do watch it for that. And whether you are a trekker seeking a moderate challenge, a photographer chasing the perfect mist, or a pilgrim seeking a spiritual solace, Kundadri Hills never disappoints. You have everything here. And the best time to visit is between October and March when the weather is clear and pleasant. If you're planning a trip to the Western Ghats, make sure that this monolithic wonder is on your itinerary. And frankly, to say, guys, visit in the early mornings or in the evenings to see the beautiful sunrise or sunset. It gives you a magnificent view of the Tirthalit town and lush greenery as far as your eye can see.
ಮೋಡ ಮುತ್ತಿದ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಶಿಖರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌನದೊಳಗೆ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲದ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವನಾಥನ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯವೇ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಓಂ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಗಿರಿಧಾಮ ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಪವೇ ಕುಂದ ಕುಂದ ಮುನಿಯ ತಪೋ ಭೂಮಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸ್ವರೂಪವೇ ಹಸಿರು ಕಾನನಗಳ ಮಡಿಲಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ ದೇವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಗಳೊಳಗೆ ನೀನೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಸೇವಾ ಅಗುಂಬೆಯ ತಿರುವಿನ ದಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಯಣವೇ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮನ ಲೀನ ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆಯ ಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾನದ ಗಾನ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಿಸುವ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕ್ಷಣ ಓಂ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಗಿರಿಧಾಮ ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಪವೇ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವನಾಥನ ಕರುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಲೀನವೇ ಶಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ನಿಶ್ಚಲ ಕೆರೆಗಳು ಆಕಾಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬ ತೋರುವ ಶಾಂತ ತರಂಗಗಳು ಮೋಡ ಮಂಜಿನ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಇಳಿದಂತೆ ಭಾಸವಾಗುವ ಘಳಿಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಜಪಿಸುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಗಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಆತ್ಮದ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿ ಶಿಖರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿರಸಾವಂದನೆ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವನಾಥನ ದರ್ಶನವೇ ಆತ್ಮ ವಿಮೋಚನೆ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದರೂ ಉಳಿಯುವ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸುಗಂಧ. ಕುಂದಾದ್ರಿಯೇ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿನ ಶಾಶ್ವತಾನಂದ.